think it seals. I think they seal it on this inner ring on the inside right here. I think this is where whatever adhesive they use was applied, because I can't get this back together, and this looks right here along the edges. It's hard to get on the camera, but it's kind of looks as though that's where that was adhered to. And I mean, I heard something snap when I popped it off, so I wasn't sure if it was going to go back together. But I mean, I'm a 37-year-old man. I do have a bite wound that I'm recovering from, but to expect any average consumer to disassemble this and add a filter and then figure out a way to put this back together so they can use it, ain't gonna happen. I know I promised an update on the other mask. Go grab that. Let's see. So I know I promised an update on this guy. Do be aware, for those with medical devices, that the magnets might affect. You don't want to use this mask. I bought the same size. I bought a medium, and I probably need to go get a small. So I'm going to go grab one of those tomorrow, but I think this mask will probably work. I just can't get a seal on it tonight. It's a little too wide compared to the F30. So, yeah. So, that's what I know right now, guys.